Welcome to the SI Academy of Class 9th, Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. Okay. So Kelvin is the Kelvin is the what? SI unit of temperature. Remember that. What is the SI unit of temperature? The SI unit of temperature is what? Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature, and 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. Okay. So what is the SI unit of temperature means you can write a Kelvin, and this value is equal to 0 degree Celsius is equal to how much? 273.15 Kelvin. And roughly, or if we can by using the round off method, we can take the value of 0 degree Celsius is equal to how much? 273 Kelvin. 0 degree is equal to how much? 273 Kelvin. Again, so some method is there. So you have to convert Celsius to Kelvin scale. You have to convert the Celsius to Kelvin scale, means you have to add 273 in the Celsius scale. Again, you have to convert Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, means you have to subtract 273. This is the what? Standard value for conversion of Celsius to Kelvin scale and Kelvin to Celsius scale. How means? Okay, we are give some good examples, so we can easily understand. For example, here, so 25 degrees Celsius convert into Kelvin scale means you have to add 25 with 273. So that will give the value of what? Kelvin in the value of Kelvin. 273 plus 25. Okay, 5 plus 3 8, and 7 plus 2 9, 298, means here 298 is the what? Kelvin. Of what? 25 degrees Celsius is converted into in Kelvin value, how much? It is 298 Kelvin. This is how much this is how, or this is the method we can convert the 25 degrees Celsius into what? Kelvin scale. So you have to add only 273 in the Celsius scale. Okay, how many whatever the value of a Celsius scale is, a 30 or a 40 or even maybe 100 degrees Celsius is there, in that all of threes we have to add only 273 Kelvin. Temperature is 273 values added in the what? 30 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees. Whatever the given value in the Celsius, that should be converting in the form of Kelvin, means we always add a 273 value. Simply, this is what? A conversion of Celsius to Kelvin. Now we have to convert the Kelvin into Celsius, means what? There is no difference at all. First, instead of adding, we have to subtract the what? 273. That will give the what? Celsius place. For example, here 300 Kelvin is there. We have to what? Convert into Celsius scales, means simply 300 is minus or subtracted with 273. Okay, here 0 is there. 0 is not subtracted with the 3, so we have taken here 1, so it will become 10. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. Already we have taken here. Again we have to 9. Okay, you have to take again, it will become 10. 10 minus 7 means it will become what? 10 minus 7, okay, 3. Okay, here is what? 0. So what is that value here? Okay, what? 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, how this we can convert the temperature into Celsius Kelvin scale into what? Temperature. Okay, what is the example here? When we are taken as a 300 Kelvin, means you have to convert in the Celsius scale, so you have to minus 300 with 273 again. So 0 is not subtracted with 3. You have to take here value of what, 10. So 10 minus 3 will become what, 7. Here already is 9 is there. 9 minus already taken here from the 1, it will become sort of 10, and this one value is taken from this 0, so it will becomes now 9. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So here the 2 minus 0, so how much, it is the what value of 27. Sorry. Okay, so we are concluded here. When we have to convert Celsius to Kelvin scale, you have to add 273, and you have to convert Kelvin to Celsius scale, you have to subtract 273. Remember that. So whenever you have to convert Celsius scales to Kelvin scale, 273, Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, you have to subtract 273. Okay. So we have learned that substance around us changes state from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas. Okay, so already learned from this chapter. So we can convert states of matter from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and gas to what, again solid. Okay, by this method we can convert so solid into what, solid into liquid, liquid into solid, into liquid, liquid into gas, gas into solid. We can convert one form to the another form by the application of water, by the application of hot, application of heat. By giving the heat or temperature, we can convert solid into liquid, liquid into gas, gas into water, so gas into solid. So are the changes directly from solid state to gaseous state and vice versa without changing into a liquid state? Sometimes so the solid is converting into gaseous state, or gas are converting into solid without changing into liquid state. Okay, sometimes we are changing the states of matter, they are directly changing from solid to gaseous state, or gaseous to what, solid state. So they are directly converting from solid to gas and gas to solid without entering into a liquid state. Okay, this method is called as what, sublimation. Okay, for that and for understand, we are having some activities. Take some camphor or ammonium chloride. Okay, camphor or ammonium chloride. This activity is given here. Crush it and put in a china dish. Okay, this is called as a china dish. Inside that you have to put ammonium chloride or a camphor and put an inverted funnel over the china dish. Okay, this is called as a inverted funnel. You have to put on inverted. Put a cotton plug on the stem of the funnel. Okay, you have to place a cotton plug on the water funnel. Okay, as shown in the figure. Okay, what is that? This is the water cotton plug, this is inverted funnel, this is what, ammonium chloride vapors, this is ammonium chloride solidified, this is a china dish, this is china dish, and this is what, a burner. This is simple activity is there. Now heat slowly and observe. Okay, after we are taking here, you have to give the heat to the ammonium chloride, and what we have observed from this activity means a change of state. From this activity we can observe that there is a change of state from solid to gaseous without changing into a liquid state, and vice versa means gas to again solid state. So this method is called as what, sublimation. What is sublimation? So the change of state from solid to liquid state the change of state from solid to gas without changing in liquid state. This is the important definition for your exam purpose. They will ask what is sublimation? The change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state is called as a sublimation. What is sublimation? So we can write from this a change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid is called as a sublimation, and the direct change of gas to solid without changing into liquid is called as a deposition. So here, what is sublimation? The solid is state changing into gas without changing into liquid state is called as a sublimation, and the direct change of gas to solid is called as what? Depositions. Remember that. What is sublimation? Solid is directly changing into gas without changing in liquid is called as a sublimation. And what is deposition? The gas is changing into solid state is called as depositions. These are the two definitions. What is sublimation and deposition means you have to write this one time. The solid is converting into gas without changing into liquid state is called as sublimation, and gas is changing into solid state is known as depositions. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.